Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about domain and range of a function. As you know, a function associates each element from input set to a unique element in the output set. Suppose that f is a function from input set to output set. X, which is input, is called domain, and y is called codomain. The domain, which is often shown by letter D, is all the values that can be accepted as the function input. For each input, a function generates an output, and the set of all the possible outputs is called range, which is shown by letter R. As I mentioned before, this set is called codomain, and the range is a subset of this set Y. Sometimes the codomain and range are going to be the same, but always the range of the function is going to be a subset of the codomain. Now let's take a look at one example. Suppose that f is a function from R to R, which R is a set of real numbers, and fx is defined as x plus 3 over 2x minus 4. Let's find the domain and range of this function. We know that the domain of this function is all the values that the denominators are not 0. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So the domain of this function is the set of all the real numbers minus the number 2. Basically, this function can be defined in all the numbers except number 2. In order to find the range of this function, there are several ways, but one easy method is to rewrite this function in respect to x and then try to find all the fx values that x can be defined. Let's find out how. We can, instead of fx, we can use letter y. So y is equal to x plus 3 over 2x minus 4. Now let's rewrite this function in respect to x, meaning y over 1, top to bottom, top to bottom. So y times 2x minus 4 is equal to x plus 3. This is going to be 2xy minus 4y is equal to x plus 3. If we bring the x to the left side, 2xy minus x is equal to 4y plus 3. We brought the minus 4y to the right side, meaning x to 2y minus 1 is equal to 4y plus 3, and x is equal to 4y plus 3 over 2y minus 1. So the actual function was x plus 3 over 2x minus 4, and we rewrote basically this function in respect to x. Now we can clearly see for all the y's, x can be defined except 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, meaning y is equal to 1 over 2. So the range of this function is equal to the set of real numbers minus the number 1 over 2. Now let's take a look at the function again. So basically here we say the range of this function, so the output of this function is all the numbers minus 1 over 2. Let's find the x, which y is equal to 1 over 2. Suppose that there is an x0 exists, which fx0 is equal to 1 over 2, meaning x0 plus 3 over 2x0 minus 4. If we just say top to top, bottom to bottom, means 2x0 minus 4 is equal to 2x0 plus 6. 2x0 are the same, so meaning minus 4 is equal to 6, which is not possible. Meaning 1 over 2 cannot be an output for this function. So 1 over 2 is not the range of this function. So this is one way just to confirm the range of this function is all the numbers except 1 over 2. Thank you.